Hey there, welcome to Limitless Coder and welcome to day one of our Java programming course. Today we are kicking things off with an introduction to Java, setting up our development environment and writing our very first Java program. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone with some programming experience, this course is designed to guide you to step by step into the world of Java. Let's get started. I have mentioned here some contents too. Today we are going through it, and in the first content, overview of Java. So exactly, what is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language and that was released by Sun Microsystems in 1995. It is known for its portability across platforms, which means the Java programs can run on any device that has a Java virtual machine, whether it is a desktop, server, or even in a mobile device. Java's write once and runs everywhere. And what are the key features of Java? Some of the key features of Java includes simplicity, security, and platform independence. Java is designed to be easy to learn and use with a syntax that is similar to C++, and it is also highly secure. The features like bytecode verification and robust security manager plus it's a platform independence allows you to develop applications that can run on different operating systems without modifications. And I have shown some Java applications here. You can see. You may not realize it, but Java is all around us. It is used in web application, enterprise software, Android apps, scientific applications, and even games. Companies like Google, Netflix, Amazon rely heavily on Java, which shows how powerful and widespread it is. Now we are going to install the JDK and IDE. Uh, Before we start coding, we need to set up our development environment. This involves two main components. One is JDK and another one is IDE, Java Development Kit and Integrated Development Environment. First, let's download and install the JDK. JDK contains the tools necessary to develop, run the Java programs, including the Java compiler and JVM. To get started, head over to the official Oracle website. So I'm going to there. I will mention the link in the description below. Here you can choose the Java SE Development Kit on the Oracle website and download the latest version 21.0.3. It is the latest version for the Java SE Development Kit. Make sure you should select the correct version for your platform, Windows, Mac, or Linux too. Once downloaded, run the installer, follow the on-screen instructions. It is straightforward process. Just click next until the installation complete. I have already installed Java too. Okay, this is the screenshot of Oracle JDK page and installation process. After installing, you should check through the command prompt by using this command Java space hyphen version. It will show the version of the Java. Now there is another thing. After installing JDK, go to control panel, system security, system and advanced system settings to setting up the environmental variables. This is the environmental variable. The new one we are going to update it in the path variable too. This is the page of the environmental variable. Just click the environmental variable and this one will be open. Click the new on the system variables and add a Java home path and then click OK, and here we are going to apply it also. After setting up the environmental variable, now we are going to uh, set up our IDE. IDE is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to programmers for software development, including code editing, debugging, and compiling too. There are many IDEs available, but for this course, I will be focusing on two most popular ones. One is Eclipse and one is IntelliJ IDEA. While Eclipse is highly customizable and widely used in industries, and IntelliJ is often praised for its user-friendly interface and powerful features too. So I'm choosing Eclipse. Eclipse is better than IntelliJ. So I will go to the official websites, the Eclipse. It is the official website for the Eclipse Foundation. uh, Download the version matches your operating system here for the Mac, for the Linux, and for the Windows 2. After installation, open the IDE. You'll be asked to configure some settings during the first run. It's nothing but just follow the prompts and you will be ready to go. Okay, this is the Eclipse workspace setup. Once you finishing the installation, it will be opened. Just click the now the this is the environmental setup. It's time to write our first Java program, so we need to click this one, create a new Java web project. After clicking this one, and it will be open here. Here I have already created a hello world class too. I've deleted this one. Okay, now I'm going to create a new project, new Java project. Once our project is set up, okay, after we are going to create a class too. This is the project name. Here I'm going to give one. Okay, one is already there, so day once. I've created a project called day once and click the right click button. It will show the src folder. After the src folder, we have to click the right click button. Then we are going to create a new Java class. Just click it. Here I have mentioned in for the package. You can give any three letter word in the package name. It should be a small letter. Now I'm going to create a Java class name of hello world. Okay, yeah, the hello world class is created. Why we are using the hello world program, which is traditional first step in learning any programming languages. We can use the hello world program. Then once project is set up, okay, the class was also created. Then I'm going to enter the main method here. Then I'm going to just print the hello world. In the double quotes, we are going to give hello world. Now this quotes defines a class called hello world. Okay, this is the class name. Inside the class, okay, inside the class we are going to have a main method, which is the entry point for any Java application. The program started here. Now I'm going to print the hello world by using the statement system.out.println. To run your program, simply click on the green button. Okay, green button in your IDE. You should see hello world printed in the console. You can see hello world will be printed in the console. Okay, we have just written and run our first Java program, and here this is the program. I will be attached the things below. That's it for day one. Today we have covered the basics of Java, setting up our development environment, and wrote our first Java program too. In the next lesson, we will dive deeper into variables, data types, and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. If you have any doubts, please ping me in the comment, and I will share all those links which I have seen from the first. Okay, I will give in the description below. And thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.